Chapter 3 Matrices Part 3. In this video we discuss operations on matrices. Here we discuss first operation, addition of matrices, second operation, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, and third one, difference of matrices. ഈ മൂന്ന് ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് ആണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഓഫ് മെട്രിസസ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോയിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുക. അതിനുശേഷം പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഓഫ് മെട്രിക്സ് അഡീഷൻ, ഇതും കൂടി നമ്മൾ ഈ വീഡിയോൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഓഫ് മെട്രിക്സ് അഡീഷൻ. ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് ഓൺ മെട്രിസസ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, അഡീഷൻ ഓഫ് മെട്രിസസ്. Now consider two matrices A and B. Order of A is 2 by 2, order of B is 2 by 2. A and B are of same order. Then A plus B is obtained by adding corresponding elements, that is A11 plus B11, 4 plus 5, 9. A12 plus B12, 3 plus 2, 5. Then A21 plus B21, 7 plus 0 is 7. A22 plus B22, 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Okay, A and B are of same order and A plus B is obtained by adding corresponding elements, 4 plus 5, 9, etc. Now consider general form of A and B. Okay, A is a 2 by 2 matrix, B is a 2 by 2 matrix. A equal to A11, A12, second row A21, A22, and B, B11, B12, B21, B22. Then A plus B is also of order 2 by 2. First element of A plus B is obtained by adding first element of A, A11 plus first element of B, B11, A11 plus B11. Okay, then second element is A12 plus B12. Then A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22. Two matrices A and B can be added if they are of same order. Each element of A plus B is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. ഇപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് മെട്രിക്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് കണ്ടീഷൻ വരുന്നത് they are of same order. Okay, here A is of order 3 by 2. B is a matrix of order 3 by 2. Then A plus B is also a matrix of order 3 by 2. And A plus B is obtained by adding corresponding elements, 1 plus minus 2 minus 1, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 5, 10, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Now here consider a matrix of order 3 by 1. This is a matrix of order 3 by 1. There are 3 rows and 1 column, and this is a matrix of order 3 by 1. Okay. Now first matrix plus second matrix. 1 plus 8, 9, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 6, 6. Now second operation, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Consider a matrix A equal to A11, A12, second row A21, A22. Consider a constant scalar K. K into A is obtained by multiplying each element by K. K into A11, K into A12, K into A21, K into A22. If A equal to Aij is a matrix of order m by n and K is a scalar, then Ka is a matrix of order m by n obtained by multiplying each element of A by K. Okay, A is a matrix of order m by n. K into A is obtained by multiplying each element by K. Now consider a matrix A equal to matrix 4, 3, 7, 9. Then 2A equal to multiply each element by 2. 4 into 2, 8, 3 into 2, 6, 7 into 2, 14, 9 into 2, 18. So 2A is matrix 8, 6, 14, 18. Now consider another matrix B, matrix 3, 6, 0, minus 1. 3 into B is 3 into 3, 9, 6 into 3, 18, 0 into 3, 0, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So this is 3B. Multiply each element by this constant. Now consider a matrix A of order 3 by 3. Here matrix is 3, 1, 1.5, root 5, 7, minus 3. Third row 2, 0, 5. Then 3 into A is 3 into matrix A. 3 into 3, 9. Then 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1.5, 4.5. 3 into root 5 is 3 root 5. 3 into 7, 21. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 5, 50. Multiply each element of A by this constant 3. Now third operation, difference of matrices. Now consider a matrix A, A11, A12, A21, A22. B equal to B11, B12, B21, B22. Now difference of these two is obtained by subtracting elements of B from elements of A. That is A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22. A minus B is also of order 2 by 2. If A and B are two matrices of order m by n, then their difference A minus B is defined as the matrix whose elements are obtained by subtracting the elements of B from the corresponding elements of A. Subtract elements of B from corresponding elements of A. Now here A equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 5, minus 1, 4. Order of A is 3 by 2. Order of B is 3 by 2. A and B are of same order. Then we can define A minus B, and A minus B is also a matrix of order 3 by 2, which is obtained by subtracting 1 minus minus 2. Subtracting elements of B from corresponding elements of A. 1 minus minus 2, that is 1 plus 2, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 1 minus 0, minus 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Now consider a matrix A equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Okay, A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. And another matrix B, it is also a matrix of order 2 by 3. 3 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. We have to find 2A minus B. 2 into A minus B. A is matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. 2 into A. Multiply each element by 2. 2 into 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 6. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. 2 into 1 is 2. Now 2A minus B is 2A plus minus B. Okay, ഇത് രണ്ട് രീതിയിലും ചെയ്യാം. 2Aയിൽ നിന്ന് ഡയറക്റ്റ് മൈനസ് ബി ചെയ്യാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2A കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക മൈനസ് ബി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. അതായത് മൈനസ് 1 ഇൻറ്റു ഈച്ച് എലമെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബി, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് മൈനസ് ബി. മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ഈച്ച് എലമെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബി by minus 1, that is minus b. Then add these two, 2A plus minus b, that is 2A minus b. Minus b is minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Then add these two, 2A plus minus b. 2 plus minus 3, minus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 3, 6 plus minus 3, that is 6 minus 3, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 2 plus minus 2, 0. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ഇതുപോലെയും ചെയ്യാം. 2A minus b is 2 into matrix A minus b. 2 into each element of A, we get this matrix. Minus 1 into each element of B, we get this matrix. Then add these two, 2 plus minus 3, 4 plus 1, 6 plus minus 3, 4 plus 1, 6 plus 0, 2 plus minus 2. So we get matrix minus 1, 5, 3, 5, 6, 0. Properties of matrix addition. First property, commutative property or commutative law. Consider two matrices A and B. Addition satisfies commutative property, that is A plus B is equal to B plus A. If A is equal to matrix Aij, B equal to matrix Bij are two matrices of same order. Add cheyanengil matrix inde order same aayirikkanam. A and B are of same order. Okay, let it be m by n. Then A plus B is equal to B plus A. For any two matrices A and B of same order, we have A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B equal to matrix Aij plus matrix Bij, that is equal to matrix Aij plus Bij. Add corresponding elements. Now these are numbers. Addition of numbers satisfies commutative property. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. So we can write Aij plus Bij as Bij plus Aij. That is equal to matrix Bij plus matrix Aij, which is B plus A. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. Matrix addition satisfies commutative law or commutative property. Now here we have an example, A and B. There are two matrices A and B. Then find A plus B and B plus A. A is matrix 1, 2, 3, 5 minus 1, 4. B minus 2, 0, 3, 5, 0, 2. Now A plus B, 1 plus minus 2 minus 1, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 5, 10, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Now B plus A, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 plus minus 1, minus 1, 2 plus 4, 6. Clearly A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now second property, associative property or associative law. For any three matrices A, B, C with same order, we have A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, here first we have to add A and B. Now in RHS, first add B and C. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Let A is equal to matrix Aij, B equal to matrix Bij and C equal to matrix Cij are of same order m by n. Then LHS is A plus B plus C, that is Aij, matrix Aij plus matrix Bij plus matrix Cij. Now adding these two, we get matrix Aij plus Bij plus matrix Cij. Okay, that is matrix Aij plus Bij plus Cij. Now this one we can write it as Aij plus inside bracket Bij plus Cij because addition of numbers satisfies associative property. 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5. So we can write like this. And now this is equal to matrix Aij plus matrix Bij plus Cij. Okay, now this is matrix Aij plus matrix Bij plus matrix Cij. So we get A plus B plus C. So LHS equal to RHS. So addition of matrices satisfies associative property or associative law. Here we have three matrices A, B and C. A is matrix 1, 3, 4, minus 3. B 0, minus 2, 5, 6 and C equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 7. Now consider LHS. A plus B, add these two A and B. Okay, A plus B is 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus minus 2, 1, 4 plus 5, 9, minus 3 plus 6, 3. Then plus C, 1, 2, 3, 7. 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 9 plus 3, 12, 3 plus 7, 10. Okay, this is LHS. Now RHS, A plus B plus C. First add these two, B and C. 0 plus 1 is 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 7, 30. This is B plus C. Then A plus B plus C. 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 8, 12, minus 3 plus 13, 10. Comparing these two, we get LHS equal to RHS. So addition satisfies associative property. Existence of additive identity. This is third property, existence of additive identity. We have for any matrix A equal to matrix Aij of order m by n, there exists a matrix, zero matrix of order m by n with this condition: A plus 0 equal to 0 matrix plus A equal to A. Okay, now this zero matrix is known as additive identity. For example, consider A equal to a matrix 1, 3, 4, minus 3. Now here A is of order 2 by 2, then we have to take zero matrix of order 2 by 2. Suppose A is a matrix of order 3 by 2, then we have to take O, 0 matrix of order 3 by 2. Okay, now here A is 2 by 2, so 0 matrix is also of order 2 by 2. And we have A plus 0 is equal to A plus 0 is equal to A, which is equal to 0 plus A. So this matrix, 0 matrix is the additive identity. If A is a matrix of order m by n, 0 matrix of order m by n is the additive identity. Now next property, the existence of additive inverse. For any matrix A equal to matrix Aij m by n, there exists a matrix minus A that is equal to matrix minus Aij of order m by n, such that A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0 matrix. Okay, this 0 matrix is the additive identity of order m by n. For example, consider A equal to 1, 3, 4, minus 3, and corresponding 0 matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, A is of order 2 by 2, so 0 matrix is, we have to take the 0 matrix of order 2 by 2. Now consider a matrix B minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, 3. Now A plus B, 1 plus minus 1, 0, 3 plus minus 3, 0, 4 plus minus 4, 0, minus 3 plus 3, 0. So when we add A and B, we get 0 matrix. So A plus B equal to 0, which is equal to B plus A, and we know that this B is equal to minus 1 into A, or negative of A, that is minus A. B is equal to minus A. For any matrix A, we can find minus A such that A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to corresponding 0 matrix. Okay, A and O are of same order m by n. So minus A is the additive inverse of A. So we have three properties discussed. Commutative property, that is A plus B equal to B plus A for any two matrices of order m by n. Associative property, that is A plus B inside bracket A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C for any three matrices A, B, C of same order. Now existence of additive identity. If A is a matrix of order m by n, then we have to take 0 matrix of order m by n. That two matrices satisfies the condition A plus 0 equal to A, that is equal to 0 plus A. Now existence of additive inverse. For any matrix A of order m by n, there exists a matrix minus A of order m by n such that A plus minus A equal to 0 matrix, that is equal to minus A plus A. Okay. We will discuss problems. This related problems discuss. Consider three matrices: A matrix 2, 4, 3, 2, B matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 5, C matrix minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Then A plus B equal to 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus minus 2, 1, 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. Then A minus B, 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 3 minus minus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 minus 5, minus 3. Now next is 3A minus C. That is, we have to multiply 3 into this matrix, 3 into A, then minus C, minus C. 3 into 2 is 6, minus minus 2, that is 6 plus 2, 8. 3 into 4, 12, 12 minus 5, 7. 3 into 3, 9, 9 minus 3, 6. 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 4, 2. So 3A minus A is matrix 8, 7, 6, 2. Find the values of x and y from the following equation. We have this equation. From this equation, we have to find values of A, x and y. Okay, here A into this matrix. A into x is ax, A into 5 is 5a, A into 7, 7a, A into y minus 3 is ay minus 3 into A, that is ay minus 3a, plus second matrix 3 minus 4, 1, 2, that's equal to matrix 7, 6, 15, 14. Next step, we have to add these two, ax plus 3, 5a plus minus 4, that is 5a minus 4, 7a plus 1, then ay minus 3a plus 2 equal to matrix 7, 6, 15, 14. So we get this matrix. Now these two matrices are equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. That is, we have to equate first element of first matrix to first element of second matrix. Ax plus 3 equal to 7, 5a minus 4 equal to 6, 7a plus 1 equal to 15, ay minus 3a plus 2 equal to 14. Okay. Now from second equation, second equation consists of only one variable a. So take second equation, 5a minus 4 equal to 6. Take this minus 4 to RHS, we get 5a equal to 10. So a equal to 2. Now substitute a equal to 2 in first equation, we get 2x plus 3 equal to 7. Substitute a equal to 2 in first equation. So 2 into x plus 3 equal to 7. So 2x equal to 7 minus 3, 4, x equal to 2. Now take this last equation, fourth equation, ay minus 3a plus 2 equal to 14. A is equal to 2. So 2y minus 3 into 2 is 6. Then plus 2 equal to 14. So 2y minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Take that minus 4 to RHS. It becomes plus 4. 14 plus 4 is 18. So 2y equal to 18, y equal to 9. So values are a equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 9. Now next problem. If x plus y equal to matrix 7, 0, 2, 5 and x minus y equal to matrix 3, 0, 0, 3, then find x and y. Second one, find 2x plus y. Now adding these two matrices, okay, adding x plus y and x minus y, we get x plus x, 2x, y minus y, 0. So 2x equal to, in RHS add these two, 7 plus 3, 10, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, then 5 plus 3, 8. 2x equal to 10, 0, 2, 8. So x equal to 5, 0, 1, 4. Okay, adding these two equations, we get x. Now subtracting these two equations, x plus y minus x minus y, x minus x0 minus y minus, so we get minus into minus plus y plus y 2y. 7 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, subtracting these two, we get 2y equal to matrix 4, 0, 2, 2. So y equal to 2, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is y equal to 2, 0, 1, 1. Now second one, we have to find 2x plus y. Okay, we have 2x equal to 10, 0, 2, 8 plus y, that is matrix 2, 0, 1, 1. So 2x plus y is 10 plus 2, 12, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, this is 2x plus y. Okay, thank you.